Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting your iPhone to the computer with a compatible cable and unlocking the phone. This enables data access. Once connected, watch the iPhone screen and tap Trust, then enter your passcode so the computer can see photos. Make sure the computer user account is active and that iTunes or Finder can run if needed. This prevents permission prompts from blocking the transfer. If battery is low, plug the phone into power so the transfer won't abort mid-process. Now you import. On Windows, open Photos app or File Explorer and navigate to the iPhone under Devices, then select Import. On Mac OS, open Photos or Finder for Catalina and later and choose the device. Select individual pictures or Import All and choose a destination folder that has free space. For large libraries, import in batches to reduce error risk and verify progress. Make sure the phone stays unlocked until transfer completes so files don't stall, and close other heavy apps to speed the computer. Finish by checking a few transferred photos to confirm integrity, then back them up to an external drive or cloud service for safety. If some images are missing, make sure iCloud Photos isn't set to optimize storage. If it is, download originals to the device first. If the computer doesn't see the iPhone, replug using a known good cable, try a different USB port, restart both devices, and reauthorize Trust. As an alternative, use AirDrop for Mac or iCloud. Com to retrieve files wirelessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.